Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Fawad. In this video, I'm going to unbox and review a product which is from Rebluum company, a battery wireless security camera. So let's get started. This Rebluum company decided to send me this security camera to review their product. Packaging seems very premium. Let's see what's inside the box. But some of features are here. Let's take a look. And also I'm very thankful to company Rebluum that they sent this gadget for review. Here are some features: 355-degree pan and 90-degree tilt, 2K video color VN, wire-free, hassle-free. Now let's move toward unboxing. Inside the box, you will get a sticker written 24 hours surveillance, a quick start guide in different languages. This bracket is used to mount camera on the wall, a USB to Type-C data cable with waterproof cover, and the camera itself, and other things like screws and sticker for mounting to the wall, as you can see in the box. These stickers are used to mount the bracket with correct position. So this is the camera. Here this seems very well built and premium camera with 4 lights for night vision and that is sensor, and here is a camera. As you can see, this camera does swivel to right and to the left up to 355-degree rotation. Here are the Wi-Fi antennas. Look like it got 2 antennas which you can adjust. On the back side of camera there is a wire with a cover that is used to charge the camera. Type-C charging cable comes in box. Also have same cover. That cover makes your camera waterproof. You can use DC 5V and 1A power adapter to charging the camera before installation. I suggest fully charge your camera before installation. When you put your camera on charging, a red light on the right side which indicates the charging. Then on the bottom of the camera right here, you have to remove this rubber. Once you remove the rubber, there are 2 buttons and a SD card slot. You have to press this power button, then you will see a red light on the left side, and the other button is for reset if you want to reset your camera, and here you can put a SD card up to 128 GB. On the back of camera there is two-way speaker and it's pretty loud. I tried this few times, and mounting of this camera is really easy. First you have to install this bracket with the help of the sticker, which can make your installation very easy. After installation, you just slide right in there, and of course you can see here. I'm not going to clip it right now, but you can hear a sound which means the camera installed at the place. Let's move to install camera app. To install, you have to open camera app on your mobile and have to scan this QR. You have to download and install Cloud Edge app. Once you download the app, you have to make your account. After sign up your account, you have to add the camera. For adding camera, you have to scan this QR sticker which is placed on the camera. After this, you have to power on the camera. Press reset button for 5 seconds. Now you have to add your Wi-Fi. So your app is connected. Now it's time to test the camera and the functionalities of the camera app. Right now I'm standing in my garden. I'm going to show you how this camera works in daylight. After that, now it's time for the night vision. Let's test in night. Right now I'm here in my garden and it's dark here. Let's test camera in night vision. Okay. And I'm going to place my camera on a table like this, and let's test the vision in night. Now it's time for the Cloud Edge app. On home screen you will get a storage option and your live camera view. After clicking live view, we will get some options of our live view. We can take screenshot, hold to talk, record video. We can turn on motion detection. We can scroll our camera from left to right, up to down, and we have a light button. By pressing light button, you can turn on your light on camera. On second page we have siren option, audio warning, strobe light, and full color mode. So this is the brief overview of our Cloud Edge app that is used to control our camera. If you found this review helpful to you, then please like this video, write your comment will appreciate me, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos like this and more tech review.